Try this. Apparatus, pair of tongs or spatula, knife, burner, etc. Chemicals, samples of aluminium, copper, iron, lead, magnesium, zinc and sodium. Note: use sodium carefully in presence of teacher. Procedure: hold the sample of each of the above metals at the top of the flame of a burner with the help of a pair of tongs or a spatula. Which metal catches fire readily? Sodium metal catches fire readily. How does the surface of a metal appear on catching fire? Metal surface appears dull grey on catching the fire. What is the color of the flame while the metal is burning on the flame? While the metal is burning on the flame, the color of the flame is yellow.